Talk to you out here. Is that all your? Yeah. I'll watch him for you. He's all right. I got babies. Oh, you got a dog too? Hell. I'll make sure they're all right. I got babies too, man.
That's when the car door opens and all hell breaks loose. More than 61 bullets fired in less than a minute. The man with the assault rifle hit in the leg and dead.
A lot of young men we see walking around today hasn't been properly trained in basic manhood. Their fathers was absent and they missed out on a lot of responsibilities. So we're not gonna do no woman blaming today or none of that kind of stuff. It's about understanding the roles the father played. It's about the role that the father played teaching his son survival, responsibility, discipline, and, well, confidence, I meant to say, and confidence. But we'll talk more about that right after this intro.
Say my name slow like an ancient poem. I'm your knight, you sin your own. You rule my heart from a velvet throne.
Fresh cut Friday, yeah. He back. Big dog the barber and they got a booth in the back. Old heads nodding, lil man you back. Kids in the mirror trying to hold they laugh. He line one up, whole room go down. Big dog the barber, turn the pain into part in your fade. Yeah. Big dog the barber, put the past on the floor with the waves. Yeah. Line so sharp, feel the guard when it glide. Fresh so clean, leave the time all behind. Big dog the barber, new life with the chair is the stage. Yeah. Used to count days by the marks on the wall. Now we count tips when the shop on call.
Subscribe to my channel.
In this episode of The Purpose of Man, we talk about how many young men today were never properly trained in the basics of manhood responsibilities because their fathers were absent. This episode is not about blaming mothers. It's about understanding the role fathers play in teaching their boys survival responsibility, discipline, and confidence. A lot of young men are entering adulthood without knowing how to handle basic life situations, like changing a tire, maintaining a home, handling money, protecting themselves, or leading the family. And the world is exposing those weaknesses fast. This episode breaks down why father training matters, how missing those lessons affects men later in life, and how young men can still rebuild themselves even if nobody taught them.
Subscribe to my channel.
Avocado toast that's never done. Cooking fantasy is second to none. Booty imagination, let's create new dishes that make us celebrate. From kitchen dreams we innovate. Every flavor our magic game.
Hey there, ready to level up your brand or business? At Larva One Media, we make social media promotion easy, affordable, and effective. This 2025 special is the best time to get noticed. Posts starting at just $45. Stories starting at $25, Reels starting at $60. We'll help you get your message in front of the right audience, whether you're a small business, content creator, or entrepreneur who wants real results. Don't waste time hoping to go viral. Let Larva One Media do the heavy lifting and get you the exposure you need on Instagram, Facebook, and more. Want to see our vibe? Check out our YouTube channel, That Everyday-ish, for authentic, relatable content that connects. Ready to get started? Visit larvagroup.com to book your post, story, or reel promotion today. Don't wait. Your audience is waiting for you.
Subscribe to my channel.
Now, a boy can grow older without ever being trained. Let's get that straight. Age doesn't automatically create manhood. Turning 18 doesn't magically make somebody a man. A lot of boys become grown men physically, but mentally still lack guidance. Manhood is taught through experience, correction, and responsibility. Mothers teach love. Fathers usually teach preparation. Mothers often protect and nurture. Fathers traditionally teach toughness, problem solving, discipline, and survival without balance. Some boys grows up emotionally supported, but practically unprepared. Now, the world doesn't care if you were never taught. Bills still gonna come, cars still break down, families still need leadership. Society expects men to figure problems out regardless of their upbringing. So you definitely need a man in your house when you're raising a boy.
Dramatic new body cam video just released of an armed ambush on a pair of sheriff's deputies from Brevard County, Florida. A warning, it is video that could be disturbing to many viewers. Bullets fly when a pair of Florida deputies are suddenly ambushed. It all started with a traffic stop. Deputy Tyler Toman talking to a woman while another person rests against the trunk of the sedan.
But I don't think none of them seen it coming.
Brian Potters approaches the vehicle and inside sees a third adult and a baby, and also a dog in the back seat. He makes small talk about his own kids and asks the adult to get out of the vehicle.
He wants to talk to you out here. Is that all your... Yeah. I'll watch him for you. He's all right. I got babies. Oh, you got a dog too? Hell. I'll make sure they're all right. I got babies too, man.
That's when the car door opens and all hell breaks loose. More than 61 bullets fired in less than a minute. The man with the assault rifle hit in the leg, and Deputy Brian Potters shouts out he's been hit. Deputy Potters disoriented, not realizing the gunman is right behind him. The gunman hammers Potters in the face with the butt of his rifle, and when Potters goes down, the gunman keeps beating his face, fracturing his sinus and orbital bones. Deputy Tyler Toman drops his spent clip, quickly reloads his gun before unloading it at the man attacking Deputy Potters.
Subscribe to my channel.
Little skills become big problems later. Basic skills build confidence, learning to cut grass, learning to change a tire, learning to fix things around the house. Small wins builds like masculine confidence and independence. Lack of skills creates dependency. Some men panic during simple emergencies. They depend on others for every little thing. A man who can't solve basic problems struggles to lead. Believe me. Many young men were never given real responsibilities. Some boys were never challenged, never taught accountability, never forced to work through discomfort. Responsibility develops maturity. They never got some of that stuff.
Avocado toast that's never done. Cooking fantasy second to none. For the imagination, let's create new dishes that make us celebrate. From kitchen dreams we innovate. Every flavor our magic cake.
Subscribe to my channel.
Now, you still can become the man nobody trained you to be. That's possible. First of all, stop using your past as an excuse. Your upbringing explains your struggle, but it cannot become your permanent excuse. Growth starts with accountability begins. When accountability begins. Learn the skills now. YouTube can teach you almost anything today. Learn finances, learn car maintenance, learn communication, learn discipline, learn leadership. Become the father figure you have never had. Break the cycle. Teach your younger boys what you missed. Prepare your future children properly. A real man turns path into purpose. Now, some boys without fathers be finding out the hard way. But hard lessons can still build strong men. The goal ain't to complain about what you missed. The goal is to become what your family needed in the first place. Now remember that. Life's hard. Take it easy.
Let there be no doubt. This individual got exactly what he deserved. And to those out there who might be foolish enough to ask why we shot him so many times, that answer is simple. Because evil can never be dead enough.
I told you I'm never going back.
Give me a minute. I'm good. I've got an hour. I'm great. You give me 6 months. I'm unbeatable.
In the air, spreading influence everywhere. Watch your numbers grow anew. Followers just for you.
That's ugly.
Could have done.
You should have done.